Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Plabable. First, familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and question types. Begin by attempting questions in tutor mode to understand the reasoning behind each answer. This approach helps build a strong foundational knowledge before moving to timed practice. Focus on understanding concepts rather than just memorizing answers. To maximize your study, categorize questions by topic. This allows you to focus on specific areas where you need improvement. Always review the detailed explanations for every question, whether you answered correctly or not. Understanding the rationale is crucial. Try to complete a minimum of 50 questions each day to maintain momentum and build endurance for the actual exam. Plabable's Progress Tracker is a valuable tool. Use it to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Regularly revisit questions you answered incorrectly to ensure you grasp the underlying concepts. Don't hesitate to create custom question sets focusing on your most challenging topics. This targeted practice is highly effective for turning weaknesses into strengths and boosting your confidence. For a holistic approach, combine your Plabable studies with other reliable resources like textbooks or online lectures. Engaging in study groups can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging cases and gain new perspectives from peers. Remember, consistent effort and a well-rounded strategy are key to success. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.